Hello everyone, today we have this platform called Munch, and this is the best platform for video repurposing, especially the AI videos. Now you can see currently we are on this dashboard. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So make sure to give it a try. Now talking about this platform, now you know how well the AI video based industry is doing, and keeping in touch with that strategies and latest technologies is extremely important. So for that purpose, this platform is here called Munch, and you can create different type of videos using this. So you can see we have multiple samples provided in here, and using these it is going to be training the artificial intelligence model to repurpose the AI videos. So if you head back, you will be able to see we have this project name over here. Using this, we can simply name our project and add our new one using this plus icon. Let's just click on that, and now currently I'm on a free plan, so it might not be letting me to create this type of videos, but you can see we have various other features as well. Let me show you that. Like for example, we have our publish manager on the left side of our screen, and an important thing is that you can create your new project using this option on the top right side of your screen. Click on new project, and this is the same exact screen from where you can create your new projects. And you got to be purchasing a plan to get started with this, since the AI model based editors are really expensive and paid. Now let's just head back and check out the features on the left side, like for example our publish manager, and this is for publishing our videos. You can simply schedule them, and using this pencil icon you can edit it. Like for example, we have a complete editor in here provided already. You can add cuts, zooms, and different type of captions and stuff like that. So you can see B-rolls, magic posts, cropping, and everything that an editor has. Now going back, we have our my brand section, so you can totally customize your brand as well. You can upload your media, and this is how it is going to be previewing once you upload different type of videos, overlays, colors, and social media handles. Once you upload them, it is going to be giving you a live preview of how your post is going to be looking like. Now important thing is here we have various integrations, like for example YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to support our content even more. So give it a try. You will definitely be loving this platform. Now adding on to this, we have much good reviews about this platform, like for example great content parsing tool, easy video splicing for social media, and I love this app makes content creation so simple and effective, and much more. So you can simply head over to the link in the description, using which you can try out this platform and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.